Garry, excuse me. Welcome to carburetorsandmore.com. Our phone number is 832-221-4007. Okay, hang on a second. I'll turn the light on. Bajango. Okay, here we go. Don't know if it's going to run or not. But here we go. The choke works, though. Oh, we're getting nothing in there. There we go. Come on now. Let's see if it pumps. Nope. Nope, that's not gonna pump. Well, we got gas, so let's see if maybe we can make it start this way. Yeah, this should work. Yeah, that starter's messed up. Hold on. Come on. Dumb thing. Yes. It's not pumping. It's not taking fuel. It's not gonna. Hold on a minute. That sparked over there. Well, fuel and sparks at the same time. Outside the engine. Woohoo! Yeah, you got a bad lean condition in that carburetor, brother. The only way it would have been staying running is if this thing would have stayed choked the whole time. Yeah, that's gonna need some internal work. Okay, smell a fresh backfire in the morning. That'll make you feel good. Okay, Garry, we'll get this carburetor fixed and cleaned and running right for you. All right, folks, this is carburetorsandmore.com. Our phone number is 832-221-4007.